how to edit a slow motion video on iPhone. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to edit a slow motion video on your iPhone. Stick around till the end because I'll show you how to slow down a regular video too, not just the ones already recorded in slow-mo. So first up, if you already recorded your video in slow motion using the iPhone camera, just head to the Photos app. Tap on the video you want to edit, and then hit the Edit button. It's the one with the sliders and little dots at the bottom. Now, right down at the bottom of the editing screen, you'll see a section with a bunch of vertical lines. This is where you can adjust the part of the video that actually plays in slow motion. You can drag those bars to control when the slow motion starts and ends. Once you're happy with it, just hit done and you're good to go. Now, if you filmed a normal video and want to make it slow motion afterward, don't worry, you can still do it using a free app called CapCut. Just head to the App Store, search for CapCut and download it. Once it's installed, open it up. Tap on New Project. Pick the video you want to use and add it to the timeline. From here, scroll through the video to where you want the slow motion to begin. Tap on the video, split it at that point, then go to where you want it to end and split it again. Now just tap on that middle section you split off, scroll along the bottom menu, and tap on Speed. Choose Normal, and then slow it down to whatever speed looks best to you. Once you're happy with how it looks, just export the video, and you're done. If this helped, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips. Thanks for watching.